very warm evening to everyone. Welcome to Virucham TV. This is M. Darshini from 7GA Selvan presenting the news for the day. Today's headlines. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Tuesday said that not all banks are going to be privatized, adding that the interests of workers of banks which are likely to be privatized would also be protected. Prime Minister Modi on Wednesday paid tribute to former President of Bangladesh, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. State Health Minister Rajesh Tope on Tuesday met his union counterpart Harshvardhan and Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan in New Delhi seeking 20 lakh doses of Covishield and Covaxin every week for Maharashtra. Maharashtra on Monday vaccinated 2.64 lakh people, the most in a single day since the state began immunization against COVID-19 on January 16. US Congress report warns of repercussions over farmer protest in India. Apollo Chennai performs cardiac procedures on 4 patients in a day using MirChip. New Delhi was the world's most polluted capital for the third straight year in 2020, according to IQAir. In New Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal on Tuesday has announced the opening of Delhi Board of School Education. Now Delhi has its own registration board. Conservancy workers in Ambattur zone have disrupted work on garbage clearance, protesting against decisions of the new private conservancy operator in Chennai. West Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee is likely to skip Prime Minister Narendra Modi's COVID review meet with chief ministers of all states and union territories, which will held today. Sports news.
Audio Jungle.
Cricket. India vs England, third T20. Virat Kohli's solo act drowns into heavy metal. Corona updates. India has supplied about 60 million vaccine doses to other countries. With this, me, M. Darshini, signing off with the note of keep watching Virucham TV. Stay tuned and stay happy. Thank you.